In this video, I'm showing you how to make honey mustard chicken, and it's so delicious. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First up, let's start by making the sauce, and it's just 3 ingredients, so pretty simple to make. Let me show you how. Add that Dijon mustard to a little mixing bowl. You're gonna add in the honey, which is obviously gonna make it sweet, so you can adjust to the way that you like. And then we're gonna add a little soy sauce, or you could use gluten-free tamari. And take a fork or a whisk, and you're gonna give it a really good stir until it looks something like this. Preheat the oven and get that ready. And then we're gonna prep our chicken breast. Go ahead and add that chicken to a pan. And we're just gonna season with a little salt and pepper on both sides. Go ahead and using your hands or some tongs and flip them, and then we're gonna season the other side. Now, take a large saute pan and you're gonna heat up some oil on the stove. You can give the pan a little swirl so that it evenly coats the bottom. When your pan is ready and hot, go ahead and add those chicken breasts right to the pan. Put a little space in between the chicken if possible. This is gonna help with the browning. And give those a few minutes, and then you're gonna flip them and sear the other side. The browning is not only gonna make it beautiful, but it's gonna make it more tasty as well. So you wanna make sure they're nice and golden brown. When those are done searing, go ahead and transfer them back into that pan, and we're gonna finish baking in the oven. But before we do that, we're gonna add that beautiful honey mustard sauce that we made right on top, and we're gonna let it soak in and bake with the sauce on top. If you like, you don't have to use all the sauce. You can save some on the side and use it for something else, or you could top more after baking it. So when those are all coated, go ahead and place them in the oven, and we're gonna bake them until they're cooked through about 165 degrees internally, or you can go ahead and cut a piece and test it. Let your chicken cool for a few minutes, and then we're just gonna slice it. Now, if you prefer them whole, that works. Otherwise, you can go ahead and cut them on a bias, just like this. Now go ahead and plate it up. I'm actually just taking the sauce right from that baking pan. It's already hot, and I'm just going to put it right over the chicken. It's gonna keep it moist, and wow, honey mustard chicken. I hope you enjoyed this dish as much as I do. I'll see you next time. Happy eating.